Hello everyone, my name is Megan Quilter and I'm here today to talk to you about tips and tricks for your patients during the time of a global pandemic. As a number of you know, masks and the problems that it has created for those with hearing loss and for those who wear hearing instruments has been quite a hot topic. A good portion of us, whether we have hearing loss or not, rely on lip reading. But what you may not know is that up to 30% of speech recognition in English is based on visual information. That translates to equal 3 to 4 dB in signal to noise ratio. So the big question is what do we do when that visual information is missing? We know that wearing a mask attenuates the high frequencies spoken by the wearer by up to 3 to 4 dB for a simple medical mask, and we've seen that jump up to 12 dB for N95 masks. Not to mention, a lot of masks also constrict jaw movements, which can affect the mouth and the tongue position, which then can adversely affect vowel formation. We know that the introduction of masks is absolutely necessary. We're also well aware that it's causing a great amount of concern for stress, worry, and isolation amongst those who have hearing loss. A study was done by the Ears for Idea and found that 79% of its respondents felt that when they wore a mask, life became much harder. Nearly half of the respondents claimed that when they wore a mask, they were worried about becoming further isolated. These are the types of things that we need to address with our patients so that we can set them up for success moving forward during this time. We've been working diligently for the last 5 months with our colleagues across Europe to identify which hearing instrument settings work best for those when they're speaking to people who have masks on. We want to offer you 5 simple steps for you to take with your patients to help minimize their stress, their worry, and to help them communicate better. Number 1, encourage masks that have a clear screen so that individual mouths can be seen. Number 2, revisit initial fittings and make sure that high frequencies are meeting target. Number 3, consider adding a dedicated mask program with an increase in 3 dB from 1000 Hz up. Number 4, use Sound Enhancer on the app to turn up high frequencies when needed. Number 5, when possible, consider using an assistive listening device to hear the signal of interest. Our mask program can be used with new and existing customers and can be rolled out immediately by using your remote fine-tuning options in your fitting software. Or better yet, schedule a live assist session with your patients. If you would like to learn more about the setup and the promotional materials that we've created for you to spread awareness amongst your hearing aid patients, please feel free to contact your local representative for help. Stay well and stay healthy.